heard girl math, boy math, but the only math I'm always thinking about is period math. I'm getting ready for a birthday party. I'm supposed to be there in 5 minutes, so let's do this really quickly. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm always constantly thinking about my period, because the older I get, the harder it is for me to manage my period and its symptoms. So my life planning revolves around my period, sometimes a little early or late, and that's the worst surprise, because if I'm on my period, I'm going nowhere except my couch. So when you think about it, people who get their periods only really get 1 week of freedom throughout the month, because the week before my period I'm PMSing, and the week after I'm still in recovery mode, so we can't catch a break. That's why I struggle so hard with planning vacations, because how am I supposed to know when I'm supposed to get my period 6 months from now? For example, I planned a trip to Hawaii with my best friend, and I was like, okay, I don't think I should be getting my period. But guess what? Literally as soon as we stepped foot in Maui, I got my period. And you know what we're supposed to do in Hawaii? Be in the water. So the first few days that we were there, I'm trying to learn how to put on a tampon for the very first time. And for some reason, every time I attend a wedding, I always am on my freaking period. And if you're brown, you know that you're supposed to be wearing a sari or a heavy lehenga to these things, which is where my biggest fear stems. When I get married, how am I gonna select a date a year or 2 years in advance? And what if I get my period? I seriously think that would be my worst nightmare, to be tied up in a sari and having to get up and down with no sleep, no food, but also you have to be happy. And more delulu part of period math is whatever cravings I have, those calories do not count. That's definitely the only math that I'm thinking about. Okay, I'm running so late, and this is the finished makeup look. Let me know if you also relate.